from the front, we can see the painting details. Because this boat, customer choose the Mercury double engine, so it's already installed it in the boat with the electric tram tank. We can see it's 150 horsepower. Because it's ready for shipping, so it's already packaged with the welding bottom, so we cannot go into. We will see from the outside. The first options we can see is clear. It's the extended boat, the diving boat with the handrails. It's options. And from the inside part, we can see it's a solo toilet with extended hot tub. Two fold-down seats. Back part, fishing tank, battery tank. We can see actually it's easy design. Will be like this. It's options too for jacking late. So if you have the same needs, same design ideas, welcome contact Yolanda. We are original aluminum fishing bottom factory, so any customer ideas, welcome message me. We will confirm with our designer and build your dream boat. Thanks for watching. Waiting for your message. Bye bye.